Okay, I'm gonna do another one because I think the sound was off on the last one. All right, so below is a oh, and I'm gonna keep this video as quick as possible. I gave my Chat GPT a bunch of things that I wanted, and it wrote it out. Below is a detailed guide to how the developer can implement. So I am going to copy all of that. Then I'm going to head over to my Trade Sage, my Pine script, and I'm just going to paste it in again. Then I hit enter, and it's going to tell me thank you for the detailed instructions. Oh, okay, there it is. Let's see. Thank you for providing the detailed requirements. I'll modify the script to ensure meets specifications. All right. It's actually still writing, so I'm going to pause it. Okay, so here's the script, version 6. I'm just going to hit copy. I'm going to, this is the previous one. I'm just going to delete all of this. Delete. Paste it in. I'm going to give it the name backtest. I'm going to just call it _6. Hit save. Now here's the issue. It'll say one of 6 problems. I'll hit fix problem. And that's it. It said one of 6, but it won't fix the other problems. Okay, so I'll hit add to chart. And I just been getting these messages. Oh, I mean, it's just I haven't got a script to work. Come back over here. Yeah, and I'll just say getting an error message. I'll pause it while it's thinking. All right, so it's asking me share the exact error message. And here it is, exact error message. I typed it in there. I'll pause it while it's thinking. Alright, so it said it's going to simplify it, which is fine. So I'll hit copy. So now I'm going to come over to Pine Editor. I'm just going to do a whole new one. Create new indicator. Control V. And I'll just call this candlestick testing. Save. Save. Add to chart. And it's just more errors. I go there. So yeah, I'm just, I mean, it has potential, but I can't seem to get it working. So any help would be appreciated. Thank you very much.